Hello everyone. Today we are going to study the poem A Tiger in the Zoo by Leslie Norris. In this poem, we will try to understand the agony and helplessness of a tiger that is caged in the zoo. We really cannot understand the pain that any animal or a bird goes through or bears all his life when he is inside a cage. We, the humans, cage the animals just for our fun. In this poem, let's see the life of a tiger in a zoo. He stalks in his vivid stripes the few steps of his cage, on pads of velvet quiet in his quiet rage. Here, a tiger who has got vivid stripes on his body walks just a few steps in the small cage he has been caged in. He has got very soft velvet pads, and that is why there is no sound when he is walking. He is quiet, though he is angry because there is no other choice. He should be lurking in shadow, sliding through the long grass, near the water hole where plump deer pass. Here in this paragraph, the poet is saying that if this tiger would have been leading a normal life, he would have been hiding in the shadows, in the long grasses, near any water hole, and waiting for any plump deer to pass by and make him his meal. He should be snarling around houses at the jungle's edge, baring his white fangs, his claws, terrorizing the village. If he would have been leading a normal life, he would have been moving around here and there around the houses of the villages that are located near the jungle. He would be terrorizing and making everybody scared with his strong tooth and claws. But he is locked in a concrete cell, his strength behind bars, stalking the length of his cage, ignoring visitors. But the reality is that he is locked behind the bars with very strong building material. So there is no use of showing his rage or his energy and terrorizing anyone. So the simple things he adopts is ignoring the visitors that are passing by. He hears the last voice at night, the patrolling cars, and stares with his brilliant eyes at the brilliant stars. At night, when everything is silent, he can very easily listen to the sounds of the police cars that are patrolling around for safety. He is inside his cage and he has got nothing to do. So he simply stares with his brilliant, beautiful, shining eyes into the stars that are in the sky. In this poem, we can now clearly understand how helpless a tiger that is caged in the zoo is. In the present situation, we also are caged to a similar extent. So from now on, whenever we visit a zoo, I think we will be able to understand what the animals that are caged there are going through. Thank you.